Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to continue my series on dating tips for single parents.
No, shoot.
Well, you gotta put your socks on first. We're gonna head out to a play date, but I thought, you know what, I wanna shoot a vlog on this because, you know, it's a great topic. So one of my top requested, as these vlogs have gone on, topic has been, trying to word it right, kind of dealing with a negative dating scene, right? Like, man or woman, right? Everybody has these horror stories. Now, the worst stories I hear are women telling me stories about men on online dating, and in-person dating. And I thought that I would do the top 5 ways to be a better online date. Number 1 is to always read everybody's profile carefully and to send messages and emails that are thoughtful, that aren't generic, that you actually put some time on. This means, no, you can't draw that on stuff, bud. You won't be able to go on the play date if you're all dirty. This means that, you know, you're not gonna send out as many messages, but you're gonna send out genuine messages to people that you actually like, that may actually like you back. Number 2 is, you know, when you show up for a date, show up on time. It's always nice when you show up on a first date, if you're a man, to show up with, you know, a flower or a hug or a nice word, right? Make sure they want to hug you though. Don't just like, you know, hug them if they're clearly uncomfortable with this. If you're a woman, you know, maybe think about what they've talked about on there and be ready to talk about something that you know they're going to really like. Prepare a little bit. Come with something to give. Whether that's physical. I think somebody once gave me a packet of sweet pea flower seeds because I had talked about we both like gardening, and that was something that I really liked. And I thought that was so sweet and really nice, and that made me like that person a whole lot more. So I think that's a really thoughtful way. Either come prepared with a gift or, you know, a gift of something interesting to talk about, right? Think about it ahead of time. Prepare. It's like a meeting. Number 3 is don't interview people. And I know this is so tempting. Oh my God, this has happened to me on so many dates. Don't be the person that interviews their date. I have gotten interviewed so many times, and you can tell people are checking off lists, and oh, they don't like that one. Oh, they like this one. Talk like you're a normal human being. Just chat. It's casual. You know, the worst that can happen is you don't like each other. The best that can happen is that you do, and you go on a second date and you find out if you really like each other, and you keep going on and see how that goes, right? Take the pressure off yourself mentally, and don't treat it like a checklist interview, right? Prepare to have interesting things to talk about, but preparing doesn't mean you're preparing a list to grill them about. Number 4 is make an effort with your appearance. It does not mean that your boobs have to touch your nose and dudes need to wear the skinniest skinny jeans ever, but it does mean, you know, make sure that you feel good about how you look, that you feel stylish and attractive, and that you've put some effort into how you look. Instead of just, I still feel bad about it. I went on this one date once, years ago, and it was a first date. It was a coffee date. It was just, you know, like afternoon coffee date. And I had gone on several dates that week, and I was date fatigued. And I went, and I was schleppy. My hair was messy. My clothes were kind of, you know, not appropriate date attire, or they were too casual. And I still feel bad, even though we absolutely did not hit it off, that I didn't put more effort into it, because that just signals disrespect, that you don't respect their time enough to present yourself well, whether you're a man or a woman. Oh my goodness. Okay, did you go find your socks? Go wash your hands in the sink. We can't go if your hands are dirty. I'll help you. Number 5 is always have a good message that you follow up with after the date if you are interested in seeing them again. Don't lie about that. Don't be like, oh, I'll call you if you're not really going to. But if you had a good time, let them know. Send them a text message, send them an email, and be honest, I had a really great time. It was really nice meeting you. You don't have to, you know, confirm another date right away, but just let them know so they aren't, because you all know we all do this when we come home from dates. Oh my God, do they like me? Are they really going to talk to me again? Shh. Pea bottom, behave yourself. So until next time, feel free and check out my Patreon page. Follow along on Instagram for the crazy monkey shenanigans. Oh yeah. And until next time, I'll see you on Rose Kelly channel and the Wholesome Feed.